from across the world. Let's now move on to our next story.
Absolutely, yes. And while wetlands are areas where water covers the soil or is present either at or near the surface of the soil all year or for varying periods of time during the year, including during the growing season. Let's take a look at this report, in fact, detailing the Surajpur wetland.
These lines fit perfectly on migratory birds coming from different countries. Such migratory birds flock to Surajpur, an urban wetland in Yamuna River basin, during summer season and select it as a breeding ground. Birds like black-necked stork, black-winged stilt, black-tailed godwit, black-necked stork, and many more species like cirrus crane are seen playing, making it like water sport. A total number of 186 species of birds belonging to 44 families are identified in this wetland, out of which 102 species reside here. Plants such as hyacinth and hedge glories act as water purifiers in the wetland. Small island-like structures have been made by drying water hyacinth, which provides birds with a place to rest and feed. Birds also use algae as their food. One can also find 10 species of birds included in the famous Red List of IUCN wandering here.
मैं बर्डिंग के लिए यहाँ पर ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे इन द विंटर्स आई कम हियर, और धीरे धीरे बर्ड्स का क्वांटिटी वॉल्यूम बढ़ जाता है और स्पीसीज का जो वैरायटी है वो भी बढ़ जाता है. एंड दिस वेटलैंड इज वेरी नाइस स्पॉट, वेरी वेल प्रिजर्व्ड एंड वेल मैनेज्ड sanctuary. Please come here quite often.
In addition to a large population of bird species, the Surajpur wetland preserves more than 220 species of plants besides various species of mammals, reptiles, fishes and butterflies. Plantation is done here regularly, for which organic manure is prepared in the wetland itself. Uttar Pradesh Forest Department, in collaboration with WWF India and Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority, has been working on a project for conservation and development of Surajpur wetlands since 2010 and collectively making the place vibrant for birds.
सूरजपुर वेटलैंड जो है हम लोग इको टूरिज्म के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से डेवलप करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं. अभी एक तरह से पब्लिक के लिए थोड़ा सा इसको खोला गया है, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है क्रिएट किया जा सके जो इको फ्रेंडली भी हो और पब्लिक फ्रेंडली भी हो.
In order to ensure adequate water storage and stagnation in all seasons, water is supplied through the Gangahar connected Tilapata canal in wetland. Also, for the convenience of birds, there are islands built between dams and water. As a positive outcome, there has been an increase in the number of migratory birds, growing plants and butterflies visiting here. Away from hectic and chaos-filled life in cities, here at Surajpur wetlands, there exists peace and calmness of mind amid chirping of birds. Administration is doing everything to ward off human-induced pollution and turbulence amid developing eco-friendly infrastructure and creating tourism opportunities. You also must visit here to get experience of mesmerizing beauty of nature. With cameraman Sumit, I am Deepak, DD News.